Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Rakia, and it is my pleasure to be in front of you guys today. So, let me tell you, I want to invite you to join my channel. Whether you're going to leave a comment, whether you want to subscribe, I just want to be a part of your community and invite you to be a part of mine because I am relaunching, rebranding, reinventing, and I plan on providing amazing content in several areas. Not only do I plan on bringing beauty by ways of makeup, hair, I also plan on bringing content on financial services, whether it's insurance, money management, um, financial services, you name it. I am also 42 with an 8-month old. So I plan on sharing that journey with you. I plan on sharing the journey of business and baby, being a boy mom in general. I have relocated to Colorado from Alabama. I miss the South. So we're going to get a little travel up in there. We are going to do the thing. Do you hear me? So it is my pleasure to invite you to join, comment, and subscribe. But first things first, if you are interested in this look here, let's get into it and stay tuned because I am going to be uploading content pertaining to it. Thank you guys so much. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. That is the Farmasi VFX primer. It's a photo ready primer that kind of primes the skin and gives like a filtered look. I absolutely love it. And so I always prime my face with it before any makeup application. And here I am just drawing on my brows. Now this is going to be an entire Farmasi look. So that is a dark brown Farmasi pencil. Then I'm going to come in, blend out, and conceal. My top concealer is going to be number 8. And then I conceal under my brows with number 7. And this is our photo ready foundation. I am a number 13 in the foundation, and I really like it. I don't know if you could tell, like by my lower jawline, under my neck, I have dark spots from where hair grows on my chin from PCOS. So what I like about this foundation is buildable, but at the same time it is full coverage. So I mean, if I wanted to build it a little bit more, I could, but really doesn't need it. So now I'm using our concealers to go under my eyes, my nose. I am going to blend it in. That is our setting spray. If you cannot tell by now, I am a rep with Farmasi. So all my products are going to be listed in the description below. And then there is going to be a link. Like if you wanted to get any of these products, you could just go ahead, click the link and create a cart and put everything you want into your cart. I also will leave my email address just in case anybody needs to communicate with me. So that's our setting powder that I had just put on. It is a loose translucent setting powder. Now this is black opal that I contour with. I am still getting my contour how I like it. My nose contour I'm definitely working on. But I think my cheeks and around the perimeter of my forehead, I think I got that to a science, or my science rather. And I set it with the Juvias place, um what I'm trying to say, contour palette. So I will have that linked below as well. So that's me with the Juvia's place now. I don't know why I didn't show it, but I'll have that listed as well, what color and everything that I use. And so I do plan on coming with a lot of different looks, unboxings when I get Farmasi. I'm probably going to go through like our lips. Like I'll probably do like a whole lip video. I probably will do a shadow video as well. So if there's anything you guys want to see, let me know. That is our Rose Dune palette. When creating this look, I started with the lightest pink to the darkest pink, and then I ended up putting purple right in that crease to add a little definition. And that's the lightest pink again on the base of my eyes, and then there is a iridescent color in that palette, and that is what I'm going to put over it to give it that light shimmer. And I'm going to hit the tear ducts of my eyes with the glitter. Yeah, that's the iridescent one right there. I don't know if you're already following me on Instagram, but you can follow me on Instagram. I am Life with Rakia on Instagram, LIFEWITHRAKEYA. So there's a lot of scenes or takes that were like out of view. I'm gonna have to work on it. So y'all be patient with me. This is my first time like really getting in and editing. This is my ink liquid liner. It's actually running out. I need to buy another one. And I hate pulling my eye back like that because the grease from my finger leaves a mark, but because it's running out, it just wasn't gliding like I use it. You know what I mean? That's me putting the glitter on my tear duct, adding a little mascara before my lashes. That is our Zen mascara. Absolutely my favorite. We have a double lash mascara. I'll use it in another video so you guys can see the difference in it. But yeah, or I might do like a video with one eye on each of those no lashes so that you could see the difference in the mascaras. So yeah, that's just me applying my lashes with my Farmasi lash applicator. One thing about our glue, because I did use the Farmasi glue, it is not let it get tacky and then apply. And I had to learn that. It is definitely wet it, apply it and put it on. So the two lipsticks that I'm using is going to be Mulberry Haze. That's Mulberry Haze that I'm applying now. And then the light purple that I'm going to put in the middle is going to be Confident. Like I said, everything is going to be listed in the description box below. And I'm just going to grab any brush that's, you know what I mean, and blend it together when I am doing any type of ombre lip. And I'm going to add a couple of pictures at the ends. Like I said, I am really still learning and working on editing and staying in camera view when recording. Oh my God, y'all, crazy. But I'm excited and looking forward to what is to come with the makeup videos. And just pretty much more. I got more stuff coming too. So, but y'all gotta be patient with me on this editing. So this is the final look. This is the lip combo. And then I just added a few pictures. So don't forget, subscribe, rate, comment. I look forward to communicating with you guys. Talk to y'all soon.